Alright, welcome back to another day here at Drywall. Today we're going to be tackling the drywall finally. So, before we get nose deep into that, show you around a couple of the basic tools you need and what we actually ended up with since the last time we left. So, stick around and check it out. Okay, well, last time we left off, we just put the insulation in, and since then I just threw in the top portion of the insulation, and then these 2x6s up here for our ceiling feature. So we got the furring strips and everything to hook the drywall onto. And then over here on this wall, we've got the old defunct chimney. So it's not being used anymore. So we took an edge off there to get an inset here, which I'm pretty sure you can guess what that is. It's about the size of a 55-inch screen. We've got it sunk in there, so a good LED panel should fit right in the wall. It's like these older houses, their concept of living room was a major room that you literally lived in. So we kind of want to get back to that feeling in this room. Okay, so we want to get back to that feeling in this room, and we'll get, I've got a little fireplace thing that we can put right under here. Kind of give that central location feeling back to this room. We'll have a door set in the doorway here. So that way, if need be, we can use it as a secondary bedroom or whatever. And the idea with the sunken in the wall thing is so we can get like a picture and put an automated motor on it, move the picture, and pretty much just hide it behind there. So if you don't want your guests around too long, don't let them know that you even have a TV. Anyways, some of the tools, basically your common tools here, that we dropped on the ground. Basic ones you want: drywall square, the drywall rasp thing, tape measure, X-Acto knife, and a drill of some sort. Wow. Sheared that baby right off. Okay, a little trip out to the welder for a little booger weld on there. We should be back in business. See how straight it isn't. Oh yeah, that's going to be terrible. Okay, well, it does look horrible, but it does work. So, we can continue on. Essentially what this is a drywall thing. So, you set your countersink with these collars. So then when it gets down to a certain portion, this head pushes in and it allows this bit inside to freewheel, which stops putting the screw in. So that's how you prevent from overdriving with a high-powered drill. So that's about it. Now our ceilings aren't exactly 9 foot tall like the panels are, so we have to cut off a little bit. So pretty easy. Let's just get rolling then. Alright, well there's a wall of drywall. It goes up pretty quick. We'll start tackling this side here, making our way over. And then we'll come back to this corner, start going this way. And by then we should have enough of this drywall out of the way to do this wall. So, I'm gonna get rolling here. Alright, not too bad. Getting there. Got just this section here that I've got to hold off on doing since that's the last old power. Once I get outlets in the other holes and get a little wire run to them and power it up, I can cover that over. Got a little section up there since I did it slightly different there. And still got this piece to section in. And I got the leftovers. So, all in all, not too bad for a couple hours work. Alright, so that's going to do it for today. Not a lot gone through, but for me it was quite a few hours, so got that taken care of. Drywall for me is actually a really fun thing to do because that's when your room actually starts looking like a room. Before you're spending hours upon hours fixing and replacing windows and insulation and all that junk. And after a month's worth of work, it still looks like a disaster. And once you get the drywall thrown in, it actually starts looking like something. So this is starting to look like something. So, I guess that'll be it for today, and we will see you next time. Later.